Hello everyone, how are you all? In the last session we saw about planning, and today we'll see importance of planning. So, what about? I mean, why planning is important? Like when we learn this, whether it is a small scale, medium scale, or large scale, everywhere planning is important. So, what planning does now? If you see these points, let us start in very short quickly. Planning provides direction, it will give you a path. The first point, it gives you a path. Second thing is, when you plan certain things, there would be elimination of risk कैसा रहेगा? Risk would be less. Third point is, planning facilitates decision making. Now this is even in the futures, कि जब भी आप कोई चीज़ प्लान करते हो, यू कैन कम टू अ डिसीजन. दैट इज़ नोन एज प्लानिंग फैसिलिटेट्स डिसीजन मेकिंग. पॉइंट नंबर फोर्थ इज एस्टेब्लिशिंग स्टैंडर्ड ऑफ कंट्रोलिंग. जब भी आप कोई चीज़ प्लान करते हो, आपको एक गोल मिल जाता है. जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल आप 10th 12th में हैं, यू आर इन 12th, यू मेड अ प्लान ऑफ गेटिंग 90%. In prelim exam, if you are getting 70%, so there is a variation. Planning is the first step and controlling is the last step. So what you have planned, if it is not achieved, you have to control the things. क्या गलती हो गई है, you have to work on that all mistakes. So planning establishes standard of controlling. Fifth is, when you do certain planning, there would be creativity. You'll come to know some innovative things. When you do research on any topic, you'll come to know what better we can do, or what can be done, what can be done in a better way. कुछ ना कुछ नया लाना. You see Samsung phones, you see Apple phones. The older version is always better than the new version is always better than the older version. जो भी नया मॉडल आता है वो अच्छा ही आता है compared to the previous one. So how it is possible? It is because of innovation. Reduces overlapping of work means, when you do work with proper planning, the work will not be repeated. So that is known as reduces overlapping of work. Point number 7 is helps in coordination. Planning helps in coordinating the activities. Planning, there are different departments: purchase, sales, marketing, finance. So this will help you to coordinate with all the departments. That is importance of planning. Now, as I said, the points might differ from the book, because I have used even internet in making all these points. But what we'll be doing is, we'll consider your book as the base. Okay, so let us start with the first topic. I'll just come little bit side so that you can read this. First is, planning provides direction. So planning is what? It is a प्रीडिटरमाइंड कोर्स ऑफ एक्शन. हम क्या करना चाहते हैं, हमको किस डायरेक्शन में बढ़ना है. So it is very clear for employees what they have to do, how they will do it, and in which direction they are going. Employees should also know about the direction of work and everything. If planning is not there, employee would be like blindfolded. उन्हें पता ही नहीं चलेगा किसको क्या काम करना है. So if you want to achieve the goal, first is you have to decide the direction, and it is not possible without planning. Planning के बिना वो possible होगा नहीं. Point number 2 is, planning reduces the risk of uncertainty. Say for example, हमने पूरा अच्छे से प्लान किया था, something like COVID-19 has came, which has disturbed the entire planning. So what it does, it reduces the risk of uncertainty. We never knew कि क्या होगा. बट से फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ दिस सिचुएशन इज़ देयर, अगर आपके पास अभी रिजर्व फंड होगा, देन यू कैन पे योर एम्प्लॉयज़, यू कैन प्लान द स्लैक सीजन ऑल्सो. सो you do never know what is going to come in future, but if you do it with proper planning, it will help to reduce the risk of uncertainty. So planning is also basically to cover the uncertainties, and you can have a supplementary plan, or you can have a subsidiary plan by which the risk can be minimized. So planning reduces the risk of uncertainty. Third point is, planning reduces overlapping and wasteful activities. एक का एक काम दो बार ना हो जाए. When you make it with a proper planning, so it should not be overlapping. Say for example, if I make 2 videos on importance, it won't work. I have to make only one. So planning is about wasteful activities. It reduces overlapping and wasteful activities. If everything is properly planned, if everyone knows what the roles they are playing in the organization, it will help to reduce the overlapping and wasteful activities. Planning promotes innovative ideas. Business will run on innovation, and invention is, as I said, invention is result, or we can call it as necessity is mother of invention. So, for example, I have made certain plans to make this session more interactive. So, I planned, I researched, and something of this method come. This method came, and मुझे लगा कि ये ज़्यादा अच्छा हो सकता है. So planning promotes innovative ideas. If your response is good, and then we can still work further. इससे भी हम कुछ और भी अच्छा कर सकते हैं. We can still do better. So planning promotes innovative ideas. When you do research, कोई भी चीज़ पे जब रिसर्च करते हो, कोई भी चीज़ पे जब स्टडी करते हो, तो you will come to know and you will come to get new ideas. So planning promotes innovative ideas. Point number 5 is planning facilitates decision making. Now this is also coming in the features of planning, कि जब आप कोई भी चीज़ प्लान करते हो तो planning is not enough unless you make a decision on it. So you have to decide. Now it should also not take a lot of time in deciding. You have to be very quick in planning, and even more quick and accurate when it comes to decision making, because business, when you run, or when you run industries, there are tough competitions, many decisions you have to take, and which will require quick decision making. So that is, you have to be very quick and very accurate when it comes to decision making. Sixth is planning establishes standard of controlling. जब तक आपका गोल सेट नहीं होगा, आपको ये नहीं पता चलेगा कि आपने वो अचीव किया कि नहीं किया. ये मैंने पहले भी समझाया था, एंड अगेन आई एम रिपीटिंग. You set a goal of 80%, in prelim you are getting 70%. So where or what are the reasons of differences? You have to control it. So unless you plan your goals, you can never know about your results. So that is why it is said, planning establishes standard for controlling, and you have to also see your actual result and planned result. कैसे क्या हो गया, ऐसा होना चाहिए नहीं. So there should be a comparison between the planned output and the actual output, and you should be also analyzing it, whether you are happy with your work or you are not happy with your work. That is, planning establishes standard for controlling. Seventh is focuses attention on objectives of the company. This is an additional point, this you can add. Planning will never let you go out of the track. It will always keep you again on the track. That is, planning focuses attention on objectives of the company. So there are different methods, like you use objectives, procedure, method, rules, and so the main purpose is that our car should not go out of the track, or our flow should not go out of the track. That is why it is known as focuses attention on objectives of the company. And one additional point, which is not, which is in the book, that would be about helps in coordination. Now there are many department. When you run a business organization, there are many department like purchase, sales, marketing, finance. So they should be able to coordinate. There should be a proper coordination among each of the departments. That is known as helps in coordination. So this is all about importance of planning. I hope you are able to connect with the topics. If you are not able to understand, please message me your queries in WhatsApp. You can call me anytime and you can get your queries solved. Thank you very much and have a nice day.